Hi, how you doing? It's Rad Dad here in my workshop. Just getting ready to review this new toy I have, the Echo CS-590 chainsaw. Yeah. Um, I had a Ryobi, just 16-inch, and I returned it because it sucked. But this one has been a little bit better, a little bit easier. On the Ryobi, I had a problem once it was warm, getting it to start. If you turned it off, starting it up was next to impossible. So here you go on this one. So as I mentioned before, I got the Echo CS-590 Timberwolf. It is the 20-inch blade, and it comes unassembled, but I have already assembled it. And here you go. It was pretty easy to put together. The blade and the chain are not on it, and I put it together. And again, I've used it once, and it was much better than the Ryobi. And I'm going to show you guys what it can do. All right, first off, you want to check your fuel and your chain oil. I am looking good. I got about a half a tank of fuel in there. And this is a mix. Let's see how we're doing on the chain oil. Yeah, we're looking pretty good there. So I use the premium bar chain oil. And we'll take the sucker out and start her up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start this bad boy up. You wanna have your safety goggles and gloves. Pull out the choke. Make sure all your gas and chain oil is closed. Give this bad boy a tug. Make sure the switch is on also. Pop the choke back in. Like butter. This thing is much better than the Ryobi. I've had much more success with this. We've torn down about 5 trees total. The Ryobi I did 3, but again it was having trouble starting when it was hot, and this one it starts much better. So I'll get another angle and we'll keep going here. And some barn cleanup. The trees are getting overgrown up around the barn. I'm gonna chop them down. All right, now I've got the blade cover back on. This thing is ready to be put up for now. It's a solid machine. I've done a lot of work with it. It was much better than the last couple chainsaws I've got, specifically the Ryobi. This was a lot more expensive than the Ryobi, so you know, you get what you pay for. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.